Hello students, I welcome you to this session of activity-based learning for Unit 3 of Basics of Electrical Power System for first semester students of Electrical and Electronics Engineering. In this unit, you studied about solar photovoltaic system and the wind power plant. In this session, we are going to learn the same topics by a few activities so that whatever you learn can be reinforced. I would like to introduce myself. I am Tarina Norona from the Department of Electrical Engineering, working as a selection grade lecturer from SNM Polytechnic, Mudbidri. Let us have an overview of all the activities that we are going to have in this session. The first activity will be mind map. Second activity, identification of the components. Third activity is technical crossword. Activity 4 will be word search. Activity 5 will be choose one odd one out. Activity 6 jumble words. And activity 7 will be information collection on major power plants in India. The first activity is mind map. So what is mind map? Mind map ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ ಒಂದು ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಕಲ್ತಿದ್ದೇವೆ ಅದು ಒಂದೇ ಕಡೆ ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ರೆಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ ಸೊ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಅ ಕ್ವಿಕ್ ರಿವಿಷನ್ ಇಸ್ ಪಾಸಿಬಲ್. ನಮಗೆ ಕ್ವಿಕ್ ಆಗಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ನೆನಪು ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಮೈಂಡ್ ಮ್ಯಾಪ್ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಸೊ ಒನ್ಸ್ ಐ ಟೀಚ್ ಯು ಹೌ ಟು ಮೇಕ್ ಅ ಮೈಂಡ್ ಮ್ಯಾಪ್, it is required that each one of you create your own mind map, and whenever you want to revise the topic, have a look at that mind map and recall all the topics. We have created a mind map for wind and solar power plant. So you see in this mind map that renewable sources of energy are many. Say for example, solar, geothermal, biomass, hydro and wind. So we are going to study solar as well as wind. So what we have done is all the topics related to solar, we have put it here at one diagonal corner, and all the information about wind power plant, we have put across the other diagonal corner. We see here that regarding solar, all the information have been briefly represented. This is the solar, the principle under which it works, the material required, the requirements of the material been put here, the materials commonly used are represented here, and we have put the classification. So depending upon various classification, there are branches. So the individual classification of the solar power plant has been represented in this map. This mind map also represents the composition of the solar array, that is from the solar cell to the module to the panel to the array. Moreover, this also represents all the advantages and disadvantages of a solar power plant. So with this you can have a total revision about the working of a solar power plant. In this map, we have also representation about a wind power plant, that is the basic principle behind the wind power turbines, the causes, that is the global and the local wind, the various factors which we are going to consider before selecting the site, and the major classification of a wind power plant, that is the horizontal and vertical. In this map, we also have the various components of a wind power plant. So we have blades, nacelle, shaft, and so on. And in brief, the function of each of this component has also been put up. So you can have a small figure which will help you understand, and also the function as well as naming of the parts. So by using this mind map, ನಿಮಗೆ ಬೇಗ ರಿವಿಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಟಾಪಿಕ್ ಒಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿಯರೈಸ್ ಆಗಬಹುದು. Let us move on to activity 2, where we are going to have identification of components. ಈ ಪವರ್ ಜನರೇಟಿಂಗ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ತುಂಬಾ ಕಾಂಪೊನೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ. ಪ್ರತಿ ಕಾಂಪೊನೆಂಟಿಗೆ ಡಿಫರೆಂಟ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಇರ್ತದೆ ಅಂಡ್ ದೇ ಆರ್ ಮೇಡ್ ಅಪ್ ಆಫ್ ಡಿಫರೆಂಟ್ ಟೈಪ್ ಆಫ್ ಮೆಟೀರಿಯಲ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ದಿಸ್ ಆಕ್ಟಿವಿಟಿ ಇನ್ ದ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಆಫ್ ಎ ಕ್ವಿಸ್. ನಾವು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ, ಒಂದು ಕಾಂಪೊನೆಂಟಿಗೆ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಗಿವ್ ಯು ಸಮ್ ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ಹಿಂಟ್ಸ್. ಆ ಹಿಂಟ್ಸ್ ನೋಡಿ ನೀವು ಆ ಕಾಂಪೊನೆಂಟ್ ನೇಮ್ ಅನ್ನು ಗೆಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸಪೋಸ್ ಐ ಗಿವ್ ಯು 3 hints. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಹಿಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಗೆಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ you'll be getting 15 points. If you are going to guess the name of the component after 2 hints, then you are going to get 10 points. And suppose after all the 3 hints you are going to guess the name of the component, then you'll be earning 5 points. In case you do not know the component, then we'll have to pass it from one team to another. So I'll invite 3 teams and let us have this activity in the form of a quiz. Hello students, I am going to teach you the concepts of unit 3, that is photovoltaic system and wind power plant. And here we are going to have a different type of learning using activities. So we have formed 3 teams, right? I think all the 3 teams are ready. It's Edison, Faraday and Coulomb team. And I am going to have an activity in which I am going to give you a question. So let me first define what are the rules of the game. So ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ, ಪ್ರತಿ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ಗೆ ಹಿಂಟ್ಸ್ ಉಂಟು. ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್? ಸೊ ಒಂದು ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ಕೊಡುವಾಗ ನನಗೆ ಒಂದು ಹಿಂಟ್ ಕೊಡ್ತೇನೆ. ಒಂದು ಹಿಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಟೀಮಿಗೆ 15 ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಸಿಗ್ತದೆ. ಒಂದು ವೇಳೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಹಿಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಆದ್ರೆ ನನಗೆ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಹಿಂಟ್ ಕೊಡ್ತೇನೆ. ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಹಿಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ 10 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಸಿಗ್ತದೆ. ಸಪೋಸ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಹಿಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ ಆದ್ರೆ ಯು ಗೆಟ್ ದ ಥರ್ಡ್ ಹಿಂಟ್. ಥರ್ಡ್ ಹಿಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಬಂದಿದ್ರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ 5 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಸಿಗ್ತದೆ. Suppose all the 3 hints are given to you, ಮತ್ತೆ ಸಹ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಆದ್ರೆ you will have to pass the question from your team to the next team. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಟೀಮಿಗೆ 0 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಸಿಗ್ತದೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಟೀಮಿಗೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಮಾಡುವ ಚಾನ್ಸ್ ಸಿಗ್ತದೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ are you all ready? Edison, Faraday and Coulomb team?
Yes ma'am.
Yes, okay. So first question will go to the Edison team. Okay, so in this you have to identify the components used in solar and wind power plant. The first hint is, I am made up of one of the most abundant material on earth. Any answer, Edison?
No, ma'am.
Okay. I help conserve renewable energy.
Solar cell.
Solar cell. Okay, very good. So the third hint was, I am the basic building block of a generating system. And the answer was the solar cell, because solar cell is made up of silicon, the most abundant material. It helps conserve renewable energy and it is the basic building block of a photovoltaic system. Very nice. So Edison gets 10 points. Now we come to the Faraday's team. Okay, get ready. Here is your first hint. I am aerodynamic in shape. I absorb kinetic energy available. Okay, first hint ali answer unta? Okay, second hint aitu. Okay, should I go to the third hint?
Yes ma'am.
Okay, this is the third hint. We are usually 3 in number.
Yes ma'am. Rotor blade.
Yeah, rotor blade. Very nice. So rotor blade are usually 3 in number, or sometimes 2 if it is a vertical axis turbine. It converts kinetic energy to electricity. It is aerodynamic. Very good. So you have the Faraday team has got 5 points. Okay, now it's a turn of Coulomb team. Okay, this is the first hint. I am installed at the top of the tower. Okay, Edison team.
Yes, ma'am.
Should I give you the next hint?
Yes, ma'am.
I provide necessary information to the generating system. Should I give you the third hint?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, third hint is, I am a measuring instrument. Edison team. Answer guttunta Edison team?
Nanometer.
Huh? Coulomb team. Answer guttunta?
Nanometer.
Yav meter?
Nanometer.
Manometer, very close by. No. What is the correct answer? Shall I pass to next team? Edison team?
Yes.
Yes. Coulomb team, you have anything to say?
No, ma'am. Pass.
Pass. Okay. Edison team. Butunta?
Pass, ma'am.
Pass.
No, pass.
Okay. Faraday's team.
Anemometer.
Anemometer. Yeah, he said manometer. Tumba hatra itu. Doesn't matter. Next ali make up madi. It is not manometer. It is anemometer. Okay. Doesn't matter. So Coulomb has no points. Faraday has 5 more points. Okay. Next come to Edison team. Right. I am an important part of renewable energy generation. Okay. Right. Next one. I am mounted at the top of the tower. Butunta?
Next, ma'am.
Next one. I am responsible for increasing the speed of the system.
Gearbox.
Huh?
Gearbox.
Gearbox. Right? Right answer. It is gearbox. Okay. For the next question, we'll go to the Faraday's team. Okay. Yeah, here is your hint. I increase the voltage level. I am provided at the base of the tower. I supply power from the generating system to the generating transmission system.
It is a step-up transformer.
Step up transformer. Yes. So you have 5 points. Okay. Next question goes to which team? Coulomb team. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Here is your hint. I am an important part of renewable power generation. Bataita? No? Okay. Let's go to next hint. I am responsible for protecting batteries from overcharging and deep discharging. Heli.
Blocking diode.
Huh? Blocking diode, no. It is wrong. You pass it on to the next team. Next team is Edison team.
Bypass diode, ma'am.
Huh?
Bypass diode.
no. Next team. Yes, Faraday team.
Ma'am, it is a charge controller.
Yes, charge controller. It is the charge controller. So this team will have 5 points. Okay. Next question will go to which team now? Edison team. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Sorry, Coulomb team. This will go to the Coulomb team. Oh, sorry, it's Edison team only this question.
Yes.
I am a protective device. Edison team.
Next, ma'am.
Next. I am connected in series with PV modules.
Next, ma'am.
No, that's only 2 hints are there.
Pass,
Butunta?
ma'am.
Huh?
Yes, pass.
Pass? Yeah. It goes to the Faraday team.
Ma'am, it is a diode.
Diode. Any specific name?
Blocking diode.
Blocking diode. Yes, very nice. So you have 5 points. Okay. Next, Coulomb team. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Which team is going to take this? Faraday team? Okay. So you are yes. I control the angle of wind blades.
No, ma'am. Next point.
Okay. Next. I ensure correct angle of blades to suit the wind direction.
I'm next.
No.
It's pitch.
Yeah, pitch what?
Pitch.
Yeah, we'll give them benefit of doubts. It is pitch control. Okay, so you'll get 5 marks for this. Okay,
Okay.
next it is for the Coulomb team.
Done.
Okay, get ready. I am made up of semiconductor.
PN junction, ma'am.
PN junction. Okay, I produce electric field. Okay, very nice guess. I am responsible for removing electrons of the semiconducting material. So it is a PN junction. Yeah, you get all the points, all 15 points. Okay, the next team is Edison team. So here we come at the end of this round. We have Edison team with 15 points. We have Faraday's team with 30 points and Coulomb team with 15 points. Okay, well done. You're all familiar. I hope you enjoyed this activity and we can repeat this activity once again. Let us move on to activity 3, that is a technical crossword. ಈ crossword ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ? ನಾವು ನಿಮಗೆ ಒಂದು ಹಿಂಟ್ ಕೊಡ್ತೇವೆ. ನೀವು ವರ್ಡ್ ಅನ್ನು ಗೆಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಆ ವರ್ಡ್ ಅನ್ನು either across or down fill up ಮಾಡಬೇಕು in rows and column. A number of letters depending of the pattern ಅದು ಮ್ಯಾಚ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು. Then only you will be able to complete the crossword. So again we will have 3 different teams coming and playing this crossword puzzle. Students, let us have one more activity which will help you to get familiar with the different terms used in photovoltaic system and wind power plant. So today I have planned an activity which is called as a crossword puzzle. In crossword puzzle, what I am going to do is I am going to provide you with a checked box you can see here, and in that there are numbers are marked there. And for as you see here, what you have is, can you see here? You can see number 1 here, 2 here, 3 here, and for every number given here, I'm going to give you a hint, and you have to tell me the word. So the number of letters in the word should match this. So the hints will be given in 2 ways. One will be down and another will be across. So this is across. This is across the lines. We have to fill in the words. And here, this is a hint for down. You have to fill the words down. So these are the hints that I'm going to give you. Have a look. And I'm going to ask each team one by one. And for every word given out, answered by you, you will be given 5 marks. If you don't know the answer, then please pass it on to the next team. Okay? So see here, these are the hints which are for across. Okay, across means you're going to fill it horizontally, and these are the hints which you're going to fill in vertically. Okay, so I'm going to ask you each hint and it will go to one team. Please concentrate and answer. So first will be alpha, next will be beta, and third will be to the gamma team. Okay, now first to the alpha team, the first question for you is, it is the basic unit which converts light energy into electrical energy. It is a 9-letter word. It is a 9-letter word, and it has to be filled in at number 3. So what is the word? Alpha team. Alpha team.
Solar cell.
Solar cell. Yeah. Okay, that's the right answer. So alpha team is going to have 5 marks for this answer. Now next question will go to beta team. Okay, so I'm going to give you the hint. Your hint is, it is a combination of photovoltaic panels. It is actually a 5-letter word. You have to fill it across. This is to the beta team. You have to fill in here. 5-letter word.
Array.
Yeah, it is array. So 5 for beta team also has got 5 points. Okay. Next comes the gamma team. So for gamma team, the question is, it stores electrical energy in the form of chemical energy. It is a 7-letter word, and we have to fill in at 6. We have to fill in at 6 across. Across means you have to fill it here. Here. Yeah, tell me. Gamma
Inverter.
team. Huh?
Inverter.
No, it will now, I think I will pass it on to the next team. Inverter is not the right answer. So again, we go to the alpha team. Alpha team. It stores electrical energy in the form of chemical energy. 7-letter word.
Battery.
Battery. Okay. Okay. So alpha team, which is correct, you'll get 5 more points. Now the next question goes to beta team. Okay, get ready. The hint for you is, it defines a scale for the wind speed. ಅದು 14-letter word. ಸ್ಕೇಲ್ ಕೊಡ್ತದೆ. ವಿಂಡ್ ಅನ್ನು ಸ್ಪೀಡ್ ಮೆಜರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಯಾವ ಸ್ಕೇಲ್, ಯಾವ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಅನ್ನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ ಅದು ನೀವು 7 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಫಿಲ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ದೊಡ್ಡ ವರ್ಡ್, 14 ವರ್ಡ್ ಲೆಟರ್ ಇದು ವರ್ಡ್.
Wind wave. Wind wave. Wind wave. Wind vane.
Wind vane, no, right? It goes to the beta team.
Next one. Head.
ಹೇಳಿ, ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ, ಅದನ್ನು ಪಾಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗ್ತದೆ. Yes, next team, gamma team.
Solar tracker.
Solar tracker.
It defines the wind speed. Wind ಇದು speed.
Nanometer.
ಯಾರು ಮಾಡುದು?
Nanometer.
ಹಾ?
Aerometer.
No. So ಯಾವ ಟೀಮಿಗೆ ಆಗುದಿಲ್ವಾ? ಈ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ಗೆ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಸಿಕ್ಕುದಿಲ್ಲ. ಆಲ್ಫಾ, ಬೀಟಾ, ಗಾಮಾಗೆ ಸಿಕ್ಕುದಿಲ್ಲ. Okay, all the 3 teams have got a chance. So the answer is Beaufort number. That will define, it will define, okay, it will define the number which defines the wind speed. Okay, okay. Next ಯಾವ ಟೀಮಿಗೆ ಈಗ? Next beta ಟೀಮಿಗೆ. Beta team, get ready for your hint. It is connected in parallel with the module and defines an alternate path in case of fault. Beta team.
Bypass diode.
Huh? You have to
Bypass
finish here. It is bypass diodes. Correct, it is. Beta team has got it right. Okay. So next will be for the gamma team. Okay. The hint is, it increases the wind speed, speed supplied to the generator. It is a 7-letter word. At 10. It increases the speed supplied to the generator.
Gearbox. Gearbox.
Gearbox, yeah. Gamma team has got it right. Okay. So next question will go to the alpha team. Ready agi. It is responsible for aligning with the direction of wind. Wind direction change aguvaga align madlike help ಮಾಡ್ತದೆ and increases the efficiency of the generating system. ಎಲ್ಲಿ fill ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? 12 ಅಲ್ಲಿ fill ಮಾಡಬೇಕು.
Yaw mechanism.
Yaw mechanism, very nice. Okay, so yaw mechanism helps to align with the direction of wind and increases the efficiency, right? Next 5 marks you got for that. Next you go to the beta team. Okay, this is your hint, beta team. Supporting structure responsible for increasing the height of the generating system. Generating system idu height ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಮಾಡಿ ಕೊಡ್ತದೆ. 13th one. ಹೇಳಿ. ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತದೆ, ಸಪೋರ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಚರ್.
Tower.
Yeah,
Tower.
alpha team. Sorry, it's beta team.
Tower.
Tower, yeah, tower is the right answer. So beta team gets 5 marks. Next you come to gamma team. Okay, this is the hint for you, gamma team. It converts DC to AC and is an important component of a photovoltaic system. ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಫಿಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ 14 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಫಿಲ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತದೆ DC ಅನ್ನು AC ಗೆ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತದೆ ಇನ್ವರ್ಟರ್ ಯಾ ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ರೈಟ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಸೊ ನೀವು ನೋಡಿರ್ಬೋದು ಇದು ಎಲ್ಲ ಹಾರಿಜಾಂಟಲ್ ಲೈನ್ಸ್ ಫಿಲ್ ಅಪ್ ಆಯ್ತು ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ನಾವ್ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡುದು ವರ್ಟಿಕಲ್ ಲೈನ್ಸ್ ಗೆ ಹೋಗುವ ಗಾಮಾ ಟೀಮ್ ಯು ಗೆಟ್ ಫುಲ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಅಗೇನ್ ವಿ ಕಮ್ ಟು ಆಲ್ಫಾ ಟೀಮ್ ಓಕೆ yes alpha team get ready this is your hint it connects the hub to the generator hub ಮತ್ತೆ generator which component is going to connect 5 letter word ಇಲ್ಲಿ fill up ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮಗೆ hint ಸಿಗ್ತದೆ ಎರಡು ಆಲ್ಫಾಬೆಟ್ ಸಿಗ್ತದೆ ನಿಮಗೆ
Shaft.
Shaft, yes, the answer is correct. So you'll get 5 marks for this, for the alpha team. Yes. And next question will go to the beta team. Beta team, see, it helps to follow the direction of sun and improves system efficiency. Fill ಮಾಡಬೇಕು position 2 fill ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಉಂಟು position 2 think ಮಾಡಿ
it helps the direction of sun and improves system efficiency. Solar. Pass.
pass beta team pass
Pass.
pass gamma team
Solar tracker.
yes it is correct the correct answer is solar tracker very nice gamma team the next question will go to again will go to the alpha team it changes the direction of wind due to earth's rotation 4 down it comes here ಹೇಳಿ ವಿಂಡ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ತದೆ ಅರ್ತ್ ಇಂದ ರೊಟೇಷನ್ ಇಂದ Coriolis force, right? Yeah, Coriolis force is the right answer. So you have Coriolis force, correct. That was which team? Alpha team, right? Then you have next team. Yeah, next team. What answer ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು Coriolis force? Alpha team alva?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, yeah. Next question goes to beta team. The hint is it senses the direction of wind and provides input to the yaw mechanism. Yaw mechanism ಗೆ ತಿರುಗಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಇನ್ಪುಟ್ ಕೊಡಬೇಕಲ್ವಾ ತಿರುಗಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಯಾವ ಕಾಂಪೋನೆಂಟ್ ಕೊಡಬಹುದು it is at position 8
Wind vane.
Wind vane, very nice. Okay, so beta team gets it right. Wind vane. Okay, so 5 marks for that. Next is to box in two places we have. Next, gamma team. It is responsible for reducing the speed when the wind speed becomes excessive. Speed ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗುವಾಗ speed ಅನ್ನು ಕಡಿಮೆ ಮಾಡ್ತದೆ. Okay, 11.
Break.
Yeah, very nice. Okay, very good. Yeah, so the break will be done and I think we have come to the end of this session. Very nice. I would like you to tell the scores. Alpha team is with 25, beta with 20 and gamma with 20. I hope you enjoyed this activity. I congratulate the alpha team. Okay, but all the teams did very well.
Thank you, ma'am.
Activity.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah,
Thank you,
you
ma'am.
so much.
I hope you're enjoying this activity session of Unit 3, where you are able to familiarize with different components and the terms introduced in this chapter. Now let's move on to the next activity. This is activity 4. It's a very simple activity. It is called as word search. So in a box, I have put different alphabets, and what you need to do is search out the familiar words. Even words now ninge kodteve. Since a simple activity, I am inviting two teams to come and identify the words in rows, columns, or diagonally.
Dear students, I welcome you to the activity 4, that is the word search. So this is another kind of activity which will enhance your learning. ನಿಮ್ಮ ತುಂಬಾ ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಗೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಫೆಮಿಲಿಯರ್ ಆಗಬಹುದು ಈ ತರ ಆಕ್ಟಿವಿಟಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ. ಸೊ ಈ ಆಕ್ಟಿವಿಟಿ ನಾವು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೇವೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ, ಒಂದು ರೆಕ್ಟಾಂಗಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಆಲ್ಫಾಬೆಟ್ಸ್ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ಸೊ ಈ ಆಲ್ಫಾಬೆಟ್ಸ್ ಒಂದು ರೆಕ್ಟಾಂಗಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅರೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ಈ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಈ ಆಲ್ಫಾಬೆಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಆ ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಹುಡುಕ್ಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ರೈಟ್ ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿದೆ ನೋಡ್ಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ನೀವು ನೋಡಿರ್ಬೋದು ಕೆಳಗೆ ಈ ರೆಕ್ಟಾಂಗಲ್ ಆಲ್ಫಾಬೆಟ್ಸ್ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ದಿಸ್ ಆರ್ ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಹಿಡನ್, ಈ ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಹೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ಸೊ ಟೋಟಲಿ 12 ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ದೇರ್. ಈ ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಹಾರಿಜಾಂಟಲ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ದಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಟು ರೈಟ್, ಮತ್ತೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ವರ್ಟಿಕಲ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು ಟಾಪ್ ಇಂದ ಬಾಟಮಿಗೆ, ಆರ್ ಡಯಾಗನಲ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು. ಸೊ ಈ 12 ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ನೀವು ಹುಡುಕ್ಬೇಕು ಈ ರೆಕ್ಟಾಂಗಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಗೆ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ 2 teams, very nice, exclusively girls team and exclusively boys team. So we have 2 teams. Let's see who is doing better. So we are the team is Norton's team and I will give the first preference to the Norton's team. Okay, so ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ, ನೀವು ಪೆನ್ ತಕೊಂಡು ಒಂದು ಲೈನ್ ಡ್ರಾ ಮಾಡಿ ವರ್ಡ್ ಅನ್ನು ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಮತ್ತೆ ನಾನು ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಎನ್ ಸರ್ಕಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೇನೆ. ಓಕೆ, yes. So the first preference to Norton team. Norton team, find the word in this rectangle and spell out the word. ಯಾವ ವರ್ಡ್ ನೀವು ಹೇಳಬೇಕು. Yeah, what is the word? What is the word?
Land breeze.
Land breeze. Okay, so you have 5 points for that team, Norton, right? Next, what Thevenin's team? ನಿಮಗೆ ವರ್ಡ್ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿತಾ?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
What is the word? Mark ಮಾಡಿ.
Hub.
Okay, you have found the word hub. Very nice. Okay. Next, Norton team once again. ಮಾಡಿ.
Alternator.
Alternator. Very nice. 3 words ಆಯ್ತು. Yes, Thevenin's team.
Tower.
Tower. Okay, correct. So 4 words ಆಯ್ತು. Next team. Nasal. Okay, ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕು, ವರ್ಡ್ ಅನ್ನು ಹೇಳಬೇಕು. So 5 words ಆಯ್ತು. Nasal. Okay. Then next team, Thevenin's.
Trade wind.
Trade winds. Okay, 6 words. Okay, trade winds. Then Norton team.
Anemometer.
Anemometer. Yes, yes, right. Next team. 7 words ಆಯ್ತು.
Shaft.
Shaft. Okay, 8 words. Right. Next, Norton team.
Bearing.
Bearing. Yes, yes, good. So we have 9 words are done. Thevenin. If not Thevenin, Norton.
Here.
Huh? Oh, Beaufort number. Yes, right. 10 words are over. Last 2 words are remaining. Last 2 words.
Global
Norton
winds.
team. Global winds. Very nice. The last 1 word ulitu. What is that?
Rose by correlation.
Huh? Cross by circulation. Yes. So all the words over or not? Yes, very good. I think you both have done equally well. Both have got the same points. Okay. So was this activity helpful to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, very nice. So you can have the different words. You can create your own word search and we get familiarized with the different terms that we use while studying photovoltaic system and wind power plant. Okay. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay.
Let us not give much importance to the score obtained by the teams. We are enjoying the activity, so let us learn and have fun. So in this activity, that is activity 5, it's a different kind of activity. What we have done is about 12 sentences I have put up, and every sentence we have 4 to 5 terms. In one sentence, there are all related terms. So if you find any unrelated terms, then you can encircle the term. So we say, choose the odd one out. ಯಾವ ವರ್ಡ್ ಅನ್ನು ನೀವು ಬೇರೆ ಕಾಣ್ತೀರಿ that did not belong to a particular family ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನೀವು encircle ಮಾಡಿ you have to remove it out.
Hello students, I invite you to the activity 5 of unit 3, solar photovoltaic system and wind power plant. In this activity, what I have done is, we have put words which are similar. And in all the words which are similar, one is an odd one. Odd one here is an example. Suppose we have a dog, cat, cow and sparrow. So in all these 4 words, 3 are animals, 1 is bird. So what you can do, the bird is the odd one out. So ನೀವು ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಆ bird ಗೆ ನೀವು encircle ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಹಾಗೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ ಗೆ ರಿಲೇಟೆಡ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ಯಾವ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಈ ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ ಗೆ ರಿಲೇಟೆಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ ಗೆ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ whichever does not relate to photovoltaic cell or wind power plant, you can encircle it. Okay, so I'll share the screen with you. Please look and you'll have to encircle. ಬೇಗ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. I will call out the 3 names of the teams, that is Ohm, Newton and Gauss. When I call out your name, you have to answer. Okay, so the first question is Hub nasal economizer anemometer. ಈ ತರ 12 questions ನಾನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೇನೆ. When I call out correct ನೋಡಿ, take some time to look at all, and one by one when I call out you answer. If the answer is wrong by the team, you go to the next team. Okay, yes. So first one is Hub nasal economizer anemometer. ಈಗ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ನೋಡಿ ಬಿಡಿ. Gyro, cross arm, gearbox, penstock shaft, PN junction, anti-reflecting coating, metallic grid, 4-way, module, blocking diode, bypass diode, inverter, silicon, PBS, lead sulfide, gallium arsenide, CD tellurium, yes, cadmium tellurium, 2-way meter, condenser, grid, solar array, circuit breaker, P-type, N-type material, anemometer, photon, module, array, control rods, panel, solar cell, sea breeze, valley breeze, land breeze, wind, Coriolis effect, photovoltaic effect, Rossby circulation, Hadley circulation, grid, charge controller, array, battery, inverter, sunlight, photons, turbine, holes and electrons, right? So the first question will go to Ohm team. Okay, yes, first one, what's the answer?
Yes, ma'am.
First one, Ohm.
Economizer.
Economizer, yeah, that is right. Okay, so you'll
Economizer.
yeah, okay, 5 points for that. Next team, Newton. Newton.
Penstock.
Huh? Penstock. Okay, that is
Penstock.
right. Okay, third team, Gauss.
4-bay.
4-bay. Yeah. Okay, again, we'll repeat. Ohm team. What's the answer?
Inverter.
Inverter. Okay, right? Then next one, Newton, girls team.
Pass, ma'am.
Pass. Okay, Gauss team.
PBS.
PBS. Okay. Okay. Next one, sixth one. Gauss teamige. Puna Gauss teamige.
Condenser.
Condenser. Okay. Ohm team. Ohm team. Seventh one.
Anemometer.
Anemometer. Okay. Eighth one. Newton team.
Control rods.
Control rods. Okay. Then ninth one. Gauss team. ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲದ್ರೆ pass ಮಾಡಬೇಕು.
Sea breeze.
Huh?
Sea breeze.
Sea breeze. No, I will have to pass it.
Sea
Next
breeze.
team. Home team. Yes, next one. Newton team.
Trade wind.
Trade wind. Very nice. Okay. Next 10th one. Next team. Gauss team. Home team. Sorry, home team. Yes, should we pass on? Pass on.
Photovoltaic effect.
Huh? Photovoltaic effect. Okay.
Photovoltaic.
Yes, okay. Newton team.
Battery.
Battery. Yes, okay. And next Gauss team.
Turbine.
Turbine. Okay.
Turbine.
Now see here. Each one of you have to answer. Whatever you answer, give me explanation. First one. First one, why did you encircle Ohm team? Why did you encircle economizer? Economizer ಯಾಕೆ encircle ಮಾಡಿದಿರಿ? Why do you feel it's an odd one out?
Something.
Huh? Guess, was it a guess? Anybody in the team? Anybody next team? Why not economizer? Answer ಹೇಳಿ. Where do you find economizer? Sanket or
Thermal power plant.
thermal power plant. Yes, Newton team. Why penstock is encircled?
Wind power plant.
Penstock is not in wind power plant. Home team.
Hydro power plant.
Hydro power plant.
Okay. Third one. 4-bay Gauss team. You said 4-bay. Why? 4-bay. Why did you encircle?
Because it comes under hydropower.
Hydropower. Rest of the terms belong to which power plant?
It's solar.
Solar. Okay. Home team. Next one. Module, blocking diode, bypass diode, inverter. Why did you say inverter?
Inverter is converted into DC into AC, ma'am.
AC. ಮತ್ತೆ ಬೇರೆ ಉಳಿದದ್ದು ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಇರ್ತದೆ? They're all parts of the
Solar.
solar module. Adu, they're all parts of a module. Then
Module.
Silicon, PBS, GAS, and CDT. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾಕೆ PBS? Yes, any other team? Huh? Guess ಮಾಡಿದ್ದ? They are all, remaining all are semiconducting material.
Solar.
Semiconducting material. These are all materials made
Yes,
up of material which are used for solar cell. Next one. Sixth one.
Solar cell.
Why condenser? Why condenser?
It is come under thermal power plant, ma'am.
Thermal power plant. Okay, next one. Seventh one. Any team? P-type, N-type, anemometer, photon.
Anemometer is used in measuring the wind speed.
Wind speed. Very nice. Next question. Control rods. They are used in?
Nuclear power plant.
Yeah,
Control the
yes, nuclear power plant. Here we have, these are all
neutrons.
These are all Local wind. This is a global wind. Okay?
Global.
Yes. What about this? What about this? 10th one. This relates to
Solar.
Solar
Solar.
panel.
solar. Rest all relate to
Wind.
wind. Huh? Then we have battery, because when the wind is there, battery is not required, isn't it? Okay. Then we have turbine. All of you have done very well. Okay. I congratulate all the team, and I hope you enjoyed this activity. Nice to see you.
Let's have the next activity, that is jumbled words. Here, I am not going to change the order of the words, but I have mixed up about 50 words. And I have taken words from all different type of power plants. So I'm going to have teams named by the power plants, and the team which is having the particular name of the power plant should pick up the terms related to them. So for example, if I say nuclear power plant, the nuclear power plant team has to pick out all the terms related to nuclear power plant. And same way for solar, wind, and so on. So I invite here 5 different teams. I'm going to give them 50 words, and you have to pick out the words which is related to you, and as quickly as possible.
I welcome you all the 5 teams to the next activity. The activity is jumbled words. In here, I have jumbled about 50 words, and you will find 50 words all mixed together. We have made 5 teams because I want each team to pick out the word related to them. ಅವರಿಗೆ ಸಂಬಂಧಪಟ್ಟ ಯಾವ ವರ್ಡ್ ಉಂಟು ಅದು ತಗೊಳ್ಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಸೋಲಾರ್ ಟೀಮ್ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಸೋಲಾರಿಗೆ ರಿಲೇಟೆಡ್ ಯಾವ ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಉಂಟು ಅದು ಪಿಕ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ವಿಂಡ್ ವಿಂಡ್ ಪವರ್ ಪ್ಲಾಂಟ್ ಇದು ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಪಿಕ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಥರ್ಮಲ್ ಪವರ್ ಪ್ಲಾಂಟ್ ಥರ್ಮಲ್ ಪಿಕಪ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಹೈಡ್ರೋ ಪವರ್ ಪ್ಲಾಂಟ್ ಹೈಡ್ರೋ ರಿಲೇಟೆಡ್, ನ್ಯೂಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಪವರ್ ಪ್ಲಾಂಟ್ ನ್ಯೂಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ರಿಲೇಟೆಡ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಪಿಕಪ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. So I'll read out the words, and then at the end of this reading or my reading, you are going to tell me which words you have found out, which relates to you. Okay. So it says, categorize the term based on the family they belong to. First one is nacelle, array, gearbox, blocking diode, economizer, penstock, air preheater, reservoir, anemometer, charge controller, control rod, photoelectric effect, nuclear reactor, PN junction, hub, condenser, cooling tower, just tower, supporting tower, land breeze, tracking arrays, boiler, moderator, Beaufort number, 4-bay, brake, superheater, wind vane, pulverizers, global wind, bypass diode, photons, fuel rod, chimney, Rossby circulation, force draft, feed water, depletion region, tail race, module, surge tank, stand-alone system, draft tube, Hadley circulation, anchor block, yaw mechanism, grid interactive system, panel, inverter, trash rack, and valley wind. Okay. So I hope you have found out the words that relates to you, and I'll call each of the team to read out what relates to them. Okay. Which team is ready? Is the solar team ready? Solar team?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. You can tell me what words you have found out.
Array.
All are finished categorizing.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, yeah. So let us read out. I can share with you the answers also. Please read out the words. Yes.
Array.
Array.
Blocking diode. Charge controller.
Yeah. Okay.
PN junction.
Tracking arrays. Bypass diode. Control rod.
No, control rod.
Photon.
No. Control rod doesn't belong to solar power. It's a part of nuclear power. Okay. Okay. Please make a correction there. Okay. Yes. Then continue.
Photons.
Okay.
Depletion grid.
Okay.
Module.
Module.
Standalone system. Grid interact.
Okay.
Panel.
Panel.
Okay.
Inverter.
Inverter. Okay.
System.
So and
System.
okay. So totally how many words you have got?
16.
16, that is with control rod, right? So it will be 15, isn't it? So you
Yes,
have
yes.
to remove control rod from your list. Okay. Next one. There is a wind power plant.
Nacelle,
Yes.
gearbox,
Okay.
anemometer,
Hmm.
tower,
Okay.
land race,
Hmm.
Beaufort number,
Okay.
brake, wind wave, global wind, Rossby circulation,
Okay.
Handley circulation, yaw mechanism, valley wind.
Okay, that's good. Right? Yes. Next,
No.
thermal
Yes.
power plant. You haven't finished yet?
Economizer.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am. Economizer, air preheater, condenser, cooling towers, boiler, superheater, pulverizer, chimney, forced draft, feed water.
Okay, good. Okay. How many words you have got with you?
10.
10. Okay. Next, hydro.
Stop. Reserve. Survey. Tank. Rally race. Drop tube.
Trash track. Yes. How many words in all?
7.
7 words. Yes. Nuclear power plant.
Control rod.
Fuel rod,
Fuel rods. Okay. Moderator. And
Nuclear reactor.
nuclear reactor. Okay. So totally we have got 15 words and you have segregated the different words based upon the power plant. Okay. I hope you enjoyed this activity and you can repeat this activity to get familiar with the different terms. Okay. Nice team.
Okay,
Thank you
ma'am.
very much for your participation. Thank you.
thank you, ma'am.
We did not have different points for the team. The reason being there were more words for wind as well as photovoltaic plant because that were the topics which were related to unit 3. So we included very few terms of other power plants so that you can revise more on wind and solar power plant. Now let us come to the next session, activity 7, where we have collected information about the various solar and wind power projects in India. The largest solar plant in the world is in Bhadla village in Rajasthan, Jodhpur district. So here we have a picture where you can see the panels look like specks of dust. This power plant is spread over 14,000 acres of land, has an installed capacity of 2,250 megawatts. Next, we have the major power plant in Karnataka, and it is the second largest solar power plant in India. It is located at Pavagad Taluk in Tumkur district in Karnataka, spread over an area of 13,000 acres and having an installed capacity of 2,050 megawatts. The Ultra Mega Solar Park, which is located at Kurnool district in Andhra Pradesh, with an installed capacity of 1,000 megawatt. And we have Reva Solar Project of 750 megawatts spread over 1,500 acres located in Madhya Pradesh. The major wind power project in India is located in Tamil Nadu. It is known as the Muppandal Wind Farm. It is India's largest onshore wind farm. It is situated in Kanyakumari district with an installed capacity of 1,500 megawatts. These are the other major wind projects in India located at Jaisalmer in Rajasthan with a capacity of 1,064 megawatt
and other one is in Maharashtra, Brahmanville Wind Farm, the installed capacity of 528 megawatts. So India is doing its bit to tap renewable energy sources and become self-reliant. I would like to share with you the various resources that we have utilized to create this activity. I hope this session was very useful to you, and I request each one of you to create your own activity session in your classroom so that you can have enhanced learning. I would like to share with you the names of my team members. We worked as a team to create this content. I thank each one of them for giving me an opportunity to be a part of this team. I enjoyed creation of this content very much as you liked in participating in this activity. I hope it was useful to you. Thank you so much for using this e-content. We have tried our best to make this activity interesting. In case you have any suggestion for the improvement of this content, please send your mail to lms.dtek@gmail.com. Thank you.